Yeah. I'm a rose window, bitch. See this shit like a Super Bowl, man. This shit that niggas the. Niggas the Super Bowl, but the difference is it's just two guys playing shit that they did in the studio. Niggas usually say they versus that to me and they be terrible. It's like a 2-year-old. I love a dinner with some fine women when they start debating about who to go. But I'm like, blue nigga, stay nigga, who to go?
It's not so bad.
Or calculated by the Pythagoras theorem. I call that.
You thought I was feeling you? Damn, I got lunch. Nigga, I eat it for lunch. This is my body, I know I want it. You thought I was feeling you? Damn, I got lunch. Nigga, I eat it for lunch.
Back.
This is my body, I get what I want, like.
Well, that's why I said we think we fixed it, because we didn't. As you can see, I think it's just overheating.
Come in, bro, as soon as I hit that loop, G, I felt the belts just go boom, bro, and that 10 gauge just went boom, bro, like that.
I just feel like it's that, bro. It hits the cover. I think what it's doing is it's like, maybe the motor's moving a bit, cover's coming out, and it's just like pushing and it's ripping the belt off. That's weird though, because you haven't done anything with it, so.
Nah.
Oh my boy. So we need to send Finna S up to get a passenger van because we're going to take him for a scene. If you want to just head upstairs, those right stairs up there, go get yourself a band, my boy.
You just need to say that you're on the pad just for safety issues, for if something happens. Devashish, Juicy G, Reese, and the Honda, me. The S15, Caden, obviously, and the 14, Mitch.
And what the red one you kept saying something about?
I think he said 750 horsepower.
Goddamn.
Even on the pad, it feels crazy. Yeah.
What is up? Sorting the car, trying to get it all running nicely because it's BMW, so they never do. Got some cooling problems to tackle and just got to tighten up the thermostat, take out some coolant so I don't over pressurize and go for another rip. Should be fun.
Okay, you gotta tell me all about it.
I don't know shit about this one.
Okay, who knows everything about?
What do you want to know? 3.2 litre stroker, Tomei head, precision turbo, twin wastegates, does like 600 kilowatt, just under 800. 2 wastegates there, 2 twin 44s, 45s, CPC intake, all the fab done by High Power Performance, fueled by fab. Runs a Haltech Nexus R5, the dog box as well. That's about it really.
Anyway, oi, where you running up to now, biatch? I jump before your Jordans and you'll end up in triage. Chirac like taking hostages, I'm hostia, bitch. If you're the presence of 6. Now what's the money though?
Sending it to. Let's stay in paradise, my boys. Couple of pumps, couple of. Saucy.
Do 2 at a time. Intercooler piping just popped off, so lack of power, hence why you had to slow down around that corner. But yeah, massive bang, bit of smoke, and just instant loss of power. Gripped up, tighten down that hose clamp, and get it boosting again.
Hold up, bro, I'm just gonna suss this. Found out my handbrake was stuck on. Good, but not good. So I was wondering why it was just all of a sudden working real well. Come to find out, it was a grip the whole time, so obviously it's gonna stop the car. I just had a couple tandems with Caleb, 100k car, so I was trying to stay back. I hope Brad got a couple good clips, but we didn't want to hit it. Damn, I was looking out his window like, damn, gee, we ain't going that close. But yeah, we just popped a IC coupler, so we're just gonna put that back on. But yeah, I might have a chill, see if we can fix this rear up. But we got some wild lines and boys. Fucking sick shit. Yeah.
Fucking sick. Sick.
Oh yeah.
Boy, cunt, what you tryna run out for?
Gripped up, and I thought you were gonna kick it again.
It's not so bad.
Oh, fog, brother. Heaps of fog.
Hey, what then? Oh, you'll be able to push that out.
Come have a sausage. Sausage Ramsey over here.
Master Chef. Master Chef Dan.
This is what my lunch was at 1 o'clock in the morning. Well, I sleep too early, guys. Had to have some fucking dinner, 5 o'clock.
She's gone.
Here he goes from